Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel English Speaking and Listening Club. In this video, we will talk about fitness. Fitness is one of the most common topics people discuss in daily life. Everyone wants to be healthy, active, and full of energy. When you meet your friends, when you talk to your colleagues, or even when you introduce yourself, you might want to talk about fitness. You may talk about how often you exercise, what kind of sports you like, or what food you eat to stay healthy. In today's lesson, we are going to practice English sentences and dialogues about fitness. I will read everything slowly and clearly so that you can listen carefully and repeat after me. This way, you can improve your listening skills and also learn how to speak confidently in English. First, let's think about why fitness is important. Fitness is not only about looking good, it is also about feeling good. A fit body helps you work better, sleep better, and live longer. People who exercise regularly often feel more energetic and less stressed. When we talk about fitness in English, we often use words like exercise, workout, gym, healthy food, strength, cardio, and routine. For example, you can say, I go to the gym 3 times a week, or I follow a fitness routine every morning. You can also say, I try to eat healthy food like fruits and vegetables, or I do cardio exercises like running and cycling. These are very common sentences, and if you practice them, you will sound natural when you talk about fitness. Now let's listen to a short conversation between 2 colleagues. Imagine David and Sarah are talking during their lunch break. David says, Hey Sarah, do you go to the gym? Sarah replies, Yes, I go to the gym 4 times a week. I usually do cardio on Mondays and Wednesdays, and strength training on Fridays and Saturdays. David says, That's impressive. I want to start exercising too, but I don't know how to begin. Sarah replies, You can start with something simple, like walking every day or doing short workouts at home. David says, That sounds like a good idea. I think I'll try walking in the morning. Sarah replies, Yes, walking is great. It's easy and very healthy. This is a very natural dialogue. You can hear useful phrases like, Do you go to the gym? I want to start exercising. And that sounds like a good idea. These sentences are simple, but very useful in daily conversations. Let's try another example. Imagine 2 friends are meeting in a park. One friend says, Hi Alex, you look so fit these days. What's your secret? Alex replies, Thank you. I started running every morning. I also stopped eating junk food and started eating more vegetables. The friend says, Wow, that's amazing. How long have you been doing this? Alex replies, For about 3 months now, and I feel much healthier. The friend says, I think I should start exercising too. Maybe I'll join you for a run tomorrow. Alex replies, That would be great. Exercising together is more fun. Again, you can hear common English sentences about fitness, like, You look so fit. What's your secret? I stopped eating junk food, and I feel much healthier. If you practice these sentences, you can easily talk about fitness in English with your friends, family, or colleagues. Now let's do some listening practice with longer sentences. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. I try to exercise every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Repeat. I try to exercise every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Another one. Going to the gym makes me feel more energetic and less stressed. Repeat. Going to the gym makes me feel more energetic and less stressed. Another one. I believe fitness is not only about the body, it is also about the mind. Repeat. I believe fitness is not only about the body, it is also about the mind. These long sentences help you practice listening and speaking at the same time. Talking about fitness also means talking about food. Exercise and diet go hand in hand. People often say, fitness is 70% diet and 30% exercise. That means if you eat healthy food, you will stay fit more easily. For example, you can say, I try to avoid fast food because it is not healthy. Or, I drink plenty of water every day. You can also say, I eat fruits and vegetables daily because they give me vitamins and energy. These are simple sentences, but they are very powerful when you want to talk about fitness in English. Let's listen to another dialogue about food and fitness. Imagine Maria and John are in the office cafeteria. Maria says, John, I see you're eating a salad today. John replies, yes, I'm trying to eat healthier. I want to lose some weight. Maria says, that's great. Eating more vegetables is always a good idea. John replies, yes, and I also stopped drinking soda. Now I drink only water or green tea. Maria says, wow, that's a big change. I'm sure you will feel much better soon. John replies, I already feel better. Eating healthy really makes a difference. This dialogue is full of useful English for fitness conversations. You can say things like, I'm trying to eat healthier. I want to lose some weight. I stopped drinking soda, and eating healthy really makes a difference. These are very common and natural sentences. Finally, remember that fitness is not about perfection. It is about progress. You don't need to run a marathon tomorrow, but you can take small steps every day. You can walk, stretch, do yoga, or play a sport you enjoy. The most important thing is to be consistent. And when you talk about it in English, just keep your sentences simple and clear. So, in this video, we talked about fitness. We learned vocabulary like exercise, workout, gym, cardio, and routine. We listened to conversations about going to the gym, running, and eating healthy food. We practiced repeating useful sentences for everyday life. I hope you now feel more confident to talk about fitness in English. Thank you for watching this video from English Speaking and Listening Club. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English listening and speaking practice. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep practicing your English. See you in the next video.